Forget difficult tempura. This is the new way. Just set it and forget it. And that's it. Perfect air fryer tempura. $50 grams of sweet potato. Slice into rounds. Please use your favorite vegetable. Place in water. 50 grams lotus root, renkon. Slice into rounds. Place in water. 50 grams kabocha squash. Slice thinly. Two shrimp, 40 grams. Peel the shells. Cut the tail tips diagonally and remove the water and dirt. Slit the back and remove the vein. Make several cuts on the belly to prevent crawling after cooking. One teaspoon of flour. Thoroughly coat the entire shrimp with flour. $25 grams of flour. A pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or white sesame oil if you have it. 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mixing the two oils create a more authentic flavor. Two and a half tablespoons of water. Mix well. Dip the ingredients in the butter and place them in the air fryer basket. Be sure to drain the ingredients thoroughly before dipping them in the butter. Cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, pause and flip the ingredients. Add more butter to any spot where the coating has come off. Resume cooking in the air fryer. While waiting, make the tempura dipping sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. A dash of dash powder. 2 tablespoons of water. Heat for 15 seconds at 1000 watts in the microwave. Using plastic wrap is optional. Mix well. Grated daikon radish is also a perfect match. This results in a crisp finish, similar to deep frying. 今日のレシピはノンフライヤーで作るサクサク天ぷらでした。Enjoy!